Hello and welcome to the last video. In this video we are going to learn using the keyboard for input in our Unity games. So before we start, I want to tell you about Input Manager. The Input Manager is for managing all inputs. It allows player to remove the input, so if the player don't like to use left and right buttons, so they may change it to A and D or something too similar to that, so which they prefer to. So how to get the Input Manager? So in order to get Input Manager, we go to Edit, Project Settings, and here in the inspector we use Input Manager, and see here axes. So for our game we will use horizontal and vertical axes. So by default it is negative button is left, positive right, and also we have alternative buttons is A and D. Let's move to our script. So let's create script and call it character script. To move our character we need only update method. So here I create value move unit per second and give it 5. So basically it will be speed of our character. And I create vector 3 and call it position and hold it position of the character. And after that I created two inputs, horizontal and vertical. If 0 it defaults, so that means nothing is pressed. If it is more than 0, character will be moved right. And if it is less than 0, the character will be moving to the left side. And the same thing with vertical input. And after that I apply it to the current position of this character. So let's save it and check. Before we check, we need to add our game object. I choose helicopter and put inside our skin. And I need to add script into that character. So now its script is attached. And we may change the background color of the skin. So when I press play button, so now I can move the character. I can move it diagonally because I used if statements. Let me show you. So here I use 2 times if statement, so it is not else. That's why we can move diagonally. Alright, that's all for this tutorial.